I don't. So if I have an addition symbol, what I'm going to do is I am going to just rewrite it, and I'm going to remove the parentheses. So 7x cubed minus 8x plus 3 plus a negative x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7. And I know we've added like terms together, but for some reason signs, positive, negative signs are always what trips people up. Okay, so let's be very careful. Do you see other x cubes? We do. I see 7x cubed minus 1x cubed. I'm just adding like terms here, so we're not changing x. We're putting x cubes together. So if I have 7 take away 1, what do I have? 6x cubed. All right, let's look down the list. We're trying to do standard form here. What's the next highest degree? This one, 4x squared. So I don't see any other x squareds to add with it, so I'm going to write plus 4x squared. What's the next highest degree that we see? Minus 8x. I look down my list again. I don't see any other terms with x in it, so I'm going to write minus 8x. And then I see 3 and minus 7. I can put those together, right? What do they simplify to be? Minus 4. Okay. So let me quick show you above how another method for adding, if you want. Okay. So if you don't like to go horizontally, that's confusing to you, what you can do is you can write the first one, and then leave some spaces, because do you see how there's not an x squared term there? And then write plus, and then put the other one below it, and then you can put the like terms. Like I'd put the negative x cubed here. I'd put the 4x squared here, because there's none. Okay, no x's, and then you just go down. There's 0 plus 4, 4x squared. This plus 0. See, I get the same thing. So sometimes people like to organize the like terms by vertically putting them by each other. It's just another way, just showing you another way you can add them if you want. You don't have to use it. All right, now, subtraction is a little trickier. Because with a subtraction, if there's a parentheses, what this means is I have to subtract everything in that parentheses. Okay? So to remove the parentheses, I can't just take it away. I actually have to like distribute that negative to everything. So on this, you might not have had to write in between steps. See how I wrote it out in between? On this one, I need you to. So we're going to rewrite 7x cubed minus 8x plus 3, and now we're going to subtract. And I'm going to go real slow, and I'm going to go term by term. Minus a negative x cubed, what am I going to write then? Plus x cubed. Minus a positive 4x squared. That would just be minus 4x squared, wouldn't it? How about the last thing? Minus negative 7. What would I write there? Okay. All right, now let's add some like terms. What about x cubed? 8x cubed. Minus 4x squared. Minus 8x. Yes. 7x cubed plus 1x cubed makes 8x cubed. So even if it's not written there, that means there is a 1 there. And then 3 plus 7 plus 10. There's a repeat on this. Below. I'm just looking here. Yeah, that's repeated. Can X that one out. Would you, for me, I'm going to give you a minute. Would you do these two? This one is subtraction, be careful. This one is addition. So try them on your own, and then we're going to check answers.